You also self-certify that you understand how to operate the avionics autopilot system in the airplane. It's amazing that we have such freedom, especially when you consider that a person can earn an instrument rating with as little as 75 hours flying time in airplanes. The IFR accident record, sadly, reflects that a lot of pilots are not doing a good job of living up to their end of the self-certification bargain. With this looseness in the regulations, how do we as pilots go about the business of making sure we're really up to any given flight? The only way we can know is by past performance. And before going any farther, acknowledge that there's a difference, a big difference, between being IFR current in your log and being competent to handle IFR flights. If, for example, you haven't had any IFR experience in 5 months and 29 days, do you really think that you're competent to tackle an IFR flight in minimum weather conditions? I sure wouldn't feel competent with that much rust on my ticket. How do we grade ourselves? Let's say we start each flight with 100 points. As the flight unfolds, we make notes about everything that's not done perfectly. Then after the flight's over with, we can look at our notes and put points on each infraction. Little things like straying 100 feet off altitude might get a couple of points. Infractions that could cause a distraction, such as failing to turn on the transponder or have all the avionics set before takeoff, might go for 10 points.